In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use collapsible rows (FAQ) in Shopify Sense theme. If you're trying to add FAQ-style accordions to your store, the first thing to know is that it depends on whether your particular build of the Sense theme includes a collapsible or accordion section. I'll walk you through how to check that, how to add it if it's available, and what to expect if you don't see the option. Start in your Shopify admin with the Sense theme active. Head to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. This opens the theme editor, which is where you'll add and manage sections. Navigate to the page where you want your FAQ to appear. That could be your home page, a standard page you've set up for FAQs, or even a product page if you want questions and answers to live there. Choosing the right location is helpful for your customers, so think about where those answers will be most useful. Once you're on the correct page in the theme editor, look to the left sidebar and click Add section. You'll see a list of available sections for your theme. Scroll through or use the search bar at the top and look for names like Collapsible Content, FAQ, Accordion, or Collapsible Rows. Different theme versions label this feature differently, but they all refer to the same type of expandable content. If you find one of these sections, go ahead and add it to the page. After it's added, you'll see options inside the section to add blocks, often labeled Add Block or Add Collapsible Row. Each block represents a single question and its answer. Click to add your first block, type your question as the heading, and enter the answer in the content area. Keep your questions clear and concise, and format the answer so it's easy to scan. Repeat this for each additional question you want to include. When you've added your questions and answers, make sure to save your changes, then preview the page. You should see collapsible rows that expand and collapse when clicked. Test a few interactions and check how it looks on mobile as well, so you know customers can quickly find what they need. If everything works, you're all set. You can use the built-in functionality without any code or extra apps. If you don't see a collapsible, FAQ, accordion, or collapsible rows section in your theme editor, it likely means your version of Sense doesn't include it out of the box. That's a known limitation for some builds, and it's why some users report they couldn't set up an FAQ without extra help.